dramas. DJ It Will. Excuse me, I'm being cocky, not giving no fucks. Good luck trying to stop me. I'm killing every beat. I'm the female ASAP Rocky. If I had a trigger, I put a shit blast on every bitch ass nigga that cross a path like some GTA shit. This rap game, I be acing. Hold up, gotta catch my breath from all the dudes I be chasing. Nah, y'all need to calm down. It ain't cool, don't be a fool. Fuck your feelings, I ain't through. So holla, 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 yeah. You a bad nigga, yeah. You a bad nigga, yeah. You a bad nigga. Push your signs up, yeah. You a bad nigga. Damn, what put me in this situation? Look at this monster I've created. I'm a bad bitch, watch me do it. Watch me pop my ass and do it. Rise up hella fast, so I'm hitting the lotto. Slam dunk on these rappers, cause I'm a real baller. Fuck with my vibe, you gon' bring out the bitch. And they wonder why these girlies twerk, shit get rich. And I'm hitting the blocker, talk shit, I'ma knock it. I'm the slickest female, going hard like a monster. Put your ass on blast, turn your red like a lobster. Have your mind blown like poop chocolate. Man, this shit is way too easy, man. It just comes so naturally. I got shit to do, man. I got shit to do.